How to be an economist. In the song you will learn how to think like this. The inability to satisfy all our wants is we call scarcity. What to reproduce and how to reproduce these goods. We use land, labor, and capital. After all, who are all these goods for? These are all the questions we ask.
The economic way of thinking is considering all the choices. Right now you must be confused of what a trade-off is. The classic trade-off example is between guns and butter. Refer to page 8 for all the details.
What does this mean? Guns and butter stand for any pair of goods. They represent a half-hour of life. This brings us to the idea that every choice has a cost. The highest valued alternative is opportunity cost. Next on the list are choices at the margin. Have you heard of marginal benefit? It is the benefit that arises from maintaining the marginal benefit curve is also the demand curve. Supply is cost is the cost of an increase in activity.
So to make a decision, we compare the marginal benefit from an extra night of studying hard. Positive statements are very nice and they help you and say how things operate. So how do we start questions? We make questions based on scarcity and make a lot of cool graphs. They help in determinants. These are types of graphs: time graphs, cross graphs, scatter plots. They have different variations, positive, direct, and linear relationships. You gotta be careful with these max minimums. They get tricky and nasty on midterms. The slope is the key to the graphs, and they show you how to change of values and variables.
A curve is a piece of the curve. They're nice and round and colorful. PPF is the production possibilities frontier. It's the boundary between the combos of goods that can or not be produced. It is too bad we don't have a model economy. Be really great because everything remains all the same except for the production of the two goods we actually want. We achieve production efficiency if we produce our goods at the lowest. Opportunity cost is a really neat ratio. So what is allocated efficiency? When the goods are produced at a low cost, so what? I think so. I don't know so. I sure hope so. I find learning by doing a phenomenon is the basis of dynamic comparative advantage. Firms are economic units with factories of production. They organize and produce goods and services. Money is something everyone loves. It's a token accepted for means of payment, and property rights are social arrangements by the government. They're really handy as well. In order to be an economist, you have to make coordinated decisions. There must be circular market flows and lots of money. And money is very good. It is units of transfer between people. I believe this is the end. The end. The end. The end. The economist. Ha! Ha! I told you it wasn't too bad. Right? Too bad. Ta-da! Yeah! Alright!